The ITMS web client, as a subsystem of RDM's secure image and transaction management platform, the ITMS web client is an enterprise-class, web-based client application for remote deposit capture. By implementing a remote deposit capture initiative, businesses will improve work efficiencies, eliminating the need to go to the bank to deposit checks, saving time and travel expenses, as well as speeding up the availability of funds. Although simple in design, the ITMS web client is a feature-rich product with features including easy deployment with no software to install, supports a large number of industry-leading check scanners, single and batch feed scanning modes, the ability to accept both checks and remittance coupons, full-page scanning capability, supports a variety of transaction profiles, high processing volume, up to 1,500 transactions per day per workstation, self-learning Payor Lookup, auto entry of the amount field with superior CAR, courtesy amount recognition, and LAR, legal amount recognition. Advanced OCR field recognition reads any data from any field on the remittance coupon. Advanced image quality assurance, online real-time retrieval of images, comprehensive reporting package, numerous risk assessment tools including duplicate detection, stops, and configurable rules, PDF, CSV, and XML file exports for flexible data presentment and reporting, sophisticated image viewing tools for easy-to-find and detailed data searching. Begin by logging into RDM's ITMS web client secure website. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard, which displays up to 4 activity-based modules, including scan items, key data, balance batches, and approve batches. The ITMS web client allows for the separation of duties and enables the system's administrator to assign individual user permissions to access one or more of these modules. Let's begin by clicking on the Scan Items module. The ITMS web client supports up to 1,000 accounts. Choose the appropriate location and account from the drop-down menu. Once you have selected the deposit location and account, click Scan Items. Calculate the total dollar amounts from your batch of checks and enter the batch control total. The Transaction Profile drop-down menu allows several scanning options. Select the appropriate transaction profile for your batch. This batch only contains checks, so select Check Only from the drop-down menu, then click OK. The scanning device is now activated, and checks will begin to flow through the scanner until all of the checks are scanned. Once the scanning is complete, a dialog box will appear with 2 selectable options, Scanning Completed or Resume Scanning. If you've scanned all your checks, select the Scanning Completed option. The Resume Scanning option allows you to scan more checks or return to the batch at any time to continue scanning. We have no more checks to scan, so let's select the Scanning Completed option. Click OK. Another dialog box will appear with the options to leave batch open for additional items, close batch, or close batch and proceed to approve batches. We will now choose the option to close batch and proceed to approve batches. You will then be prompted, do you want to close this batch? Click OK. After clicking OK, and based on your user permissions, you will be taken to the Approve Batches module, where you will be able to review items waiting to be submitted for deposit. You can view each item by clicking on the IRN number. A check display window will then pop up displaying an image of the selected item. From this window, you will also have the option to void or edit transactions, or reopen the batch. Now that we are ready to make our deposit, click on the Submit for Deposit tab. A window displaying Deposit Created Successfully will appear, confirming that the batch has been successfully submitted for deposit. You now have the option to print the batch for your records. And you are done. It's that simple. The ITMS web client, the perfect fit for your business.